The Ukrainians are about to get another $800 million in weaponry from the United States, including kamikaze drones, to take on Russian forces. These are direct transfers of equipment from our Department of Defense to the Ukrainian military to help them as they fight against this invasion, President Joe Biden announced on Wednesday. Biden claimed the new weapons package would provide unprecedented assistance to Ukraine, including hundreds of shoulder-fired surface-to-air missiles, thousands of anti-armor missiles, and drones, which demonstrate our commitment to sending our most cutting-edge systems to Ukraine for its defense. Specifically, the U.S. government is sending Ukraine 100 tactical unmanned aerial systems, according to a list of all the weapons released by the White House. Task and Purpose confirmed that those unmanned aircraft are Switchblade drones, which are essentially portable guided missiles. U.S. Special Operations Command has been using Switchblades since 2017. A lot of people have pointed to these kinds of kamikaze drones as a major new capability, not quite revolutionary, but something that would really have a major battlefield impact, Cancian told Task and Purpose. The latest weapons package to Ukraine also includes 800 Stinger missiles, which can be used to shoot down Russian helicopters and other aircraft, as well as 1,000 light anti-armor weapons, 2,000 Javelin anti-tank missiles, and 6,000 AT-4 single-shot anti-tank missiles. All this assistance comes on top of previous arms that the U.S. government has provided to Ukraine, including 5 Mi-17 helicopters, 70 Humvees, 3 patrol boats, 4 counter-mortar radar systems, and 4 counter-artillery and counter-drone system tracking radars. The New York Times also reported on March 6 that the United States and other NATO members had sent Ukraine more than 17,000 anti-tank weapons within the past week. The United States and our allies and partners are fully committed to surging weapons of assistance to the Ukrainians, and more will be coming as we source additional stockpiles of equipment that we're ready to transfer, Biden said.